Full of shit, because everything in here, I tell you.
Go, full throttles.
Those planes took off here.
Oh,
Yeah, they just come out and just take off.
it would have been nice if it was going there.
That's what I thought, but when I woke up this morning.
It would have been nice if they was taking off from the other end.
Did you see them lift off? No. I remember one day I was here and they were like all the way up there. I mean, it's still good because you can see them and stuff. A321.
So low. This morning, like, I woke up because of this. I thought they were like landing so low. I'm like, shit.
I woke up when they were landing before, and it was way louder.
You doing aircraft operation?
Yeah. You too.
Yeah.
Me too. All three of us, future pilots.
Do you get to choose what kind of airline you go? Or they
To choose what airline you apply to
It's
fly
like
for.
applying for a job. They can't force you to fly for a plane. But I know, but for this school, it'd be easier to get into certain other companies like JetBlue and American Airlines.
This is like right now you're hearing dispatch. No, yeah, follow who is talking and what's going on, especially you, because you're going to take it. You're probably going to like send them off.
Come on, take off already, ho. Wasting footage, motherfucker. Damn.
Can't you just pause it and then record again?
Hell no. My phone don't got that.
Let me see.
If I stop it,
just tap it. Just tap it.
Dude, I tried that. No, it's not gonna pause.
You don't have to wear in the instead of saying A,
All that does is focus it.
B, you have to say
Why is he not taking off in headways though? I think that's what they're doing. That's why they're waiting.
No, it's they set up the runways that the airplanes land into the wind and they're taking off the planes. They always use
But
the
they're
other
not
runway.
taking off into the wind though.
because sometimes
If they wanted to take off, they would take off on the other side.
They give that priority to landing airplanes. The only reason why they're not taking them off on the same runway into the wind is because there'd be too much traffic to take off and land on one runway.
I ain't seen a plane landed for the nearest minute though.
That wasted like 2 minutes, son. 2 minutes 30. Finally.
This is going to be the loudest plane. These planes, why are the MD-80 so loud?
Cause it's old.
Damn, they need to change that.
They need to clean that plane. You see that brown streak, that black streak on it?
Yeah. You ever seen how they do the de-icing?
Yep.
Can't they just do that over here?